Hello there, beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Shopify B2B tiered pricing if you are using basic or grow or advanced plan. Lately, Shopify released the native B2B. However, the process is very different if you are using basic or grow or advanced plan than the other plus accounts. So in this video, as I said, I will show you how to set up the tiered pricing for all the other plans except for the plus. Without any more talking, let's just get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard. After that, the first thing we're going to do is create a company. So company is basically the wholesale customer or the B2B client. Click on customers and you will see companies menu here. Click on it and this is the companies I already created. So you can create a company, assign multiple people to that. So those multiple people will all have the same tiered pricing. So in my case, I already have a company. To make this tutorial simple, I will not create a new one. If you don't know how to create a company, make sure to check out the channel. I did cover this in multiple of my videos. So in my case, let's just assume this one, I want to assign tiered pricing for it. So after you create a company, head back to this menu right here where it says markets, click on it. And then we're going to create a new, I didn't click on it. Click on markets, then we're going to create a new market, because if you're using basic or grow or advanced plan, you cannot assign catalogs that have specific tiered pricing directly to the company. You cannot do that. You have to assign it to a market, then you assign that market to multiple companies or just one company based on your preference. So in my case, I'm going to create a new company, and for simplicity, to make it clear for you, I'm going to name it tiered pricing. And for you, make sure you name it something relevant to your purpose. And below there is includes options. If you click on add condition, it will show you the countries in here. So this is where you need. Instead of selecting a country, you need to switch this one where it says regions. Simply click on it and select company locations. You click on it, then you can assign the company to this market. So as I said, you create a catalog, then you do the tiered pricing or any conditions you want, then you assign that catalog to the market, then you assign that market to the company. We just do with them in opposite way because there is a bug on Shopify that will not let you set the rules if you do it the opposite way I'm doing it now. I hope that's clear. So now let's just click on, for example, this one. As I said, this company, I want to assign the tiered pricing for it. I'm going to assign this company to this market. So the backend will assume the currency based on the company's location. It shows USD. Make sure to double check this one. And now simply click on save button. Now we create a new market, which is tiered pricing assigned for this company, but it doesn't have a catalog yet. As you can see, it says catalog store. We don't have a catalog with the specific tiered pricing rules that we're going to assign for this company. To do that, on the left panel right here below markets, you will see catalogs. Simply click on it. And now we're going to create a new catalog, especially for that company. So click on create catalog from the top right corner right here. And catalog is not just a normal collection. It's actually a catalog for specific products that you can select and set custom rules for it. So in this catalog, I'm going to name it again for simplicity, tiered pricing catalog. And after you did set the name for it, make sure to set it to something relevant. I'm gonna click on, make sure it says market. If for your case, it will show only market if you're using basic or grow or advanced. But if you are on a plus account, if you click on markets, will show you company location. So you can assign catalog directly to the company's location. I don't know why Shopify, they refused to give this option. I don't know. Also, you are limited to 3 catalogs. I forgot to mention this, which is very important. If you are using basic or grow or advanced, you are limited to 3 catalogs that you can create. You cannot create over 3 catalogs. So click on add market, and on this option right here, click on B2B. Click on it and it will show you the market that you did create and assign it to the company. Here is tiered pricing. If you click on it, click on done. Now you can adjust the pricing here. It shows first option is the currency. You can adjust the pricing. This one, price adjustment by decrease or increase by percentage. If I did here 5%, then it will update all the prices by decrease of 5%. In my case, I don't need this one. So I'm going to disable it. Now click on save. So it will show us the option to actually exclude or include products, because they will be all included by default. If you want to exclude products, simply select it and click on exclude from catalog, and this product will be excluded from the catalog. Now, how to assign the tiered pricing? Here is how. So for example, if you want to do it on variant level, you want to set different tiered pricing for each variant, click on the arrow for the variant will show up. Now on the right here, you will see plus button for each variant. Using this plus button, you can assign tier pricing. For example, let's just say this one UK white, I'm gonna assign tier pricing especially for it. I'm gonna click on plus button and it will show you the increment, which is how many products they can buy. This is very different, the quantity rules. I did cover this in one of my videos, and this is what you need, which is volume pricing. So click on it. For example, if they bought one product, the price for each unit will be $18.77. Let's just say if they bought 4 units, I want to offer them $17.77. I'm gonna do again another one, tiered pricing. If they bought 8 units, I'm gonna give them $16.70. So this is the tiered pricing that you can add by using this break. So if they bought one product, the price per unit will be $18.77, which is the normal price. If they bought 4, this is the pricing for it. If they bought 8, this is the pricing for each unit. Now click on done. Now we did assign this one to only this variant, which is the UK white. If you want to do it like for product level, for example, this one has 11 variants, I want to assign the same tiered pricing, I don't need to expand the variant. I will simply move the mouse cursor here and click on the plus and assign the price breaking that I want to just do 60 and click on done. Now it's applied across all the variants. If I expand this one, as you can see, it's applied across all the variants for the product. Now I can simply click on save, and now we are done. Now the company, the new name for it is the new company in my case, is assigned to the market, which is this one right here, and it has that tiered pricing that we did set. And you can set, as I said, multiple companies to the same tiered pricing or market by just clicking on this icon right here, and here is you can select multiple if you want to include this one. And that's how you set up the tiered pricing on Shopify if you're using basic or grow or advanced plan. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out, but for now I think my job is done. So thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.